Om Namo Narayanaya Namaha. Hare Om. Today I going to explain you very essential pranayama exercise. Pranayama exercises are like heart of Hatha Yoga. In the Hatha Yoga, we are training 5 limbs of practices: asana, bandhana, pranayama, mudras and shatkriyas. Pranayama is a very important part. Prana meaning life force, ayama meaning control that. Our lives depend of prana, our lives depend of breathing. Scientifically, our brain cannot live in more than 4 minutes without oxygen air. In the pranayama yoga exercises, we well train in disciplines of yogic breathing. According to Yoga Sutra, actual pranayama meaning holding the breath. But today I going to teach you different part of pranayama. This practice named as Kapalabhati pranayama. In this exercise, really we breathe in out actively. In the normal life, we are breathe in, breathe out, both doing much passive automatically. In this exercise, we breathe in out much actively, much consciously. Kapalabhati, it's a Sanskrit term. Kapala meaning skull or brain, bhati meaning shine in that. Meaning of name this pranayama, let feel us. This practice improve our brain power and memory power. Let's join with us practice at home this exercise. Before going to exercise, I have to mention precautions. I have to warn in you, if you are pregnant woman, don't practice this pranayama. If you suffering from hernia, if you had to face abdominal surgeries around 3 months time, don't practice this exercise. Otherwise, this practice very beneficial exercise. If I mention benefits very briefly, very shortly, short and sweet. If you are training physical yoga asanas in 1 hour, you can receive equal benefits from this pranayama in 10 minutes. Now I sitting in the diamond position. Madhuka going to demonstrate with me. She is sitting in the cross leg position. Otherwise, you can use any other meditative position, or you can sit in on an armchair if you difficult to sit on the floor. It doesn't matter. Now let's make preparation to understand practice. Place your right palm on your belly button like this. Then don't think about breathe in. Let it happen automatically. Just breathe in out by pause through your nose like this. Remember that don't make funny faces during practice. Keep face muscles relaxed. Again breathe in out 5 times. After each 5 breath in out, take 5-second break. Just change to natural breath. Again after 5 seconds, you breathe in out 5 times. If you are totally beginner for yoga, I suppose you train in this exercise with empty stomach early morning time, 100 breath outs a day, 100 times a day. If you want to make this practice more advanced after some months, you can increase time, you can increase practice until 200, 300 breath outs a day. When you increase timing until more than 600 times a day, you can be more advanced in this exercise. like in Kundalini Yoga. If I mention some benefits of this exercise, this practice helpful us vomiting too much carbon dioxide air stay in our lungs. When we vomiting too much carbon dioxide, it's helpful us reduce stress and tension. In same time, in this practice, when you breathe in out, you pull belly button towards spine. This belly movement make special stimulation for the internal organs inside belly. This practice helpful us reduce, cure and control diabetic. If you well training, you can prevent from diabetics. You can burn out too much extra fat of the belly. You can reduce your belly. This practice empty our lungs and strong our lungs, giving good strength for the lungs and breathing system. It's helpful us face to strange situation these days like COVID-19. In this kind of illnesses, our breathing system getting weak. You can well train and be more strong with your breathing system. And this practice improve your immunity, improve immune system, will helpful you stay longer life with better health. And this practice helpful reduce bad cholesterol level, good for our heart and cardiovascular system, make strong our nervous system. If you well train in this exercise, it's reduce deposit toxins of your abdominal functions and body cells. It's helpful us reduce getting aging. We can stay fit, younger, long time. This practice giving you much more benefits. Now you know some benefits. I'm sure when you practice, you can actually receive actual benefits. Only listen to us, only watching us, only become knowledge. Much practical knowledge of yoga will give you total benefits. Hope to see you again with other episode of our YouTube channel. Let's stay in contact. Thank you.